शुभमध्याह्नः। अधुना वयं सर्वे लोट् लकार अस्य पाठस्य अभ्यासं पठामः। लोट् लकार अर्थं किम् अस्ति? इन्स्ट्रक्षन्स्, ऑर्डर, like this way. So let us have a look. You can see the first. You can see the traffic signal. What the traffic signal says? Now here you can see the chala. You can say there. You can see the chala. Actually chala they have made, but they have not made the color green. So chala green. Chala means go, walk, start walking, start driving. Okay. Tishta, orange color. Wait. Tishta or yellow color. Wait over there. Agacha. Now here someone is calling. Okay, agacha, come here. Upavisha, sit down. Patha, mother is telling. Patha. Likha, mother is telling. Likha. So these are like giving instructions to someone. Now someone in the sense second person I am talking about, second person, that is you. Tvam chala, tvam tishta, tvam agacha, tvam upavisha, tvam patha, tvam likha. You wait, you walk, you tishta means you wait, you come, you sit down, you read, you write. So these are the instructions when we use it. Now let us see second page of it. Khada, eat. Tvam khada. Mata vadati, tvama vada. Mata putram prati vadati. Ma vada. Mata putram pati vadati. Ma pibana piva. Dugdam piba. Tvam dugdam piba. Tvam chala. Atra pashantu. Before this we have read present tense, that means lat lakara vartamana kalaha. Yachati dadati. Yachati dadati. Yacha prarthanadishu. Sometimes we use it for lot lakara, we use it for request also, to pray also, for prarthana also. Yacha, if you want something from someone. Mahyam pustakam yacha dada. Tvam yacha means you give me. Okay, dehi. Saha pathati. He reads. Now you want to tell that he reads, so you also read. So you read. So what do we say? It is an instruction. So tvam patha. Saha likhati. Tvam likha. Now let us see some exercise. I think so you have understood. I am talking about second person lot lakar madhyama purusha. I am talking about lot lakar madhyam purusha ekvachan. Okay. So how it runs we will see. Now only you see that how it goes. Now here see exercise number 106. वर्तमान काले लटी प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनम आज्ञा प्रधानेषु लोटी मध्यम पुरुष एकवचने परिवर्तनम. Means changing from present to instructions order, or you can say imperative. Here it is called as imperative verbs. So this is called as imperative verbs here. So imperative verbs means lot lakar. So here lot lakar verbs we are seeing. So lot lakar, but in that we are seeing only singular. So let us see. Udaharananugunam rupani likhantu. Write the forms of as shown in the examples. Now you can see सह खादति. सह किम करोति? सह खादति. त्वम खाद. Vartamane. Vartamane means which is going on present. So someone is eating fruit. So you also eat. If you want to tell that, see he is eating, you also eat. So saha khadati, tvam api khada. Api means you also. Saha vadati, tvam वद. सः हसति त्वं हस. सः नमति त्वं नम. सः क्रीडति त्वं क्रीड. सः चलति त्वं चल. सः प्रहरति त्वं प्रहर. सः मिलति त्वं मिल. सः पिबति त्वं पिब. सः नयति, नयति मीन्स टेक समथिंग और टेक्स. त्वं नय. सः पश्यति त्वं पश्य. नाउ लेट अस सी सम मोर एग्जांपल्स. सः स्थापयति त्वं स्थापय मीन्स ही कीप्स समथिंग. सः उत्तिष्ठति त्वं उत्तिष्ठ. सः उपविशति त्वं उपविश. सः स्मरति ही रिमेम्बर्स समथिंग. यू ऑल्सो रिमेम्बर. सः स्मरति त्वं स्मर. सः प्रेषयति ही इज सेंडिंग समथिंग. यू ऑल्सो सेंड. सो सः प्रेषयति यू सेंड. त्वं प्रेषय. सः नृत्यति त्वं नृत्य. सः गायति त्वं गाय. सः त्यजति मीन्स he forgives something or he gives something. Okay. सः त्यजति त्वं त्यज. सः चिन्तयति त्वं चिन्तय थिंग्स. सः तरति स्विम त्वं तर. सः पतति he falls. You also fall. त्वं पतति त्वं पत. सः प्रविशति he enters. त्वं प्रविश. सः पठति त्वं पठ. सः गच्छति त्वं गच्छ. In this way we have seen the form of second person means madhyama purusha ekvachan. Now let us see kuru. Karoti means do verb. We are seeing now do verb. Do you know do is called as model auxiliary? Yes, in the same way here also we are using as a model auxiliary. सः means बालकः. सा बालिका. सः सेवां करोति. सा सेवां करोति. त्वं सेवां कुरु. करोति turns into कुरु. He does. You also do. Okay. सः कार्यं करोति. सा कार्यं करोति. त्वं कार्यं कुरु. सः अध्ययनं करोति. सा अध्ययनं करोति. त्वं अध्ययनं कुरु. सः भजनं करोति. सा भजनं करोति. त्वं भजनं कुरु. सः नृत्यं करोति. सा नृत्यं करोति. त्वं नृत्यं कुरु. I think so you have understood this. Now let us go to the next one. वर्तमानकाले लटि प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनस्य आज्ञाप्रार्थनाप्रधानेषु means what do you mean by this? See, वर्तमानकाले which is there in the present tense. प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन singular. प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन in the sense here third person ekvachan singular, which we have to change into order or request. It means we have to change the present singular verb into imperative verb. In imperative verb either request or order, but that too in which way we have to consider? In second person. In you form we have to do. So you know that whenever you form comes, do comes. Okay, the main verb comes. So in the same way here also we are using the main verb. So let us see. सः खादति त्वं खाद. बालकः वदति त्वं वद. So I will leave this 3, 4, 5. You do that. Now I will go for 9. Number 9. सा रटति त्वं रट means she mugs up or she by hearts you. So you also by heart. So now let us go to the 15th one. पिता आह्वयति. Father calls, you also call or you call. Pita ahvayati, tvam ahvaya. So ahvayati means calls. So ahvayati, in this her is half, in that va is added. Okay, so let us see some more examples. Number 16, sevakah anayati, tvam anaya. Anaya brings. Dhanikah yachati, gives, tvam yacha. Now come to number 20, pitamahah chintayati, tvam chintaya. Shishyah kathayati, tvam kathaya. Now come to number 24, and Radhika nrutyati, tvam nrutya. Sah tarati, tvam tara. Lekhakah rachayati, tvam rachaya. In the same way, number 30, see, Udayanah prakshalayati. Udayanah is a name of a boy. What does he doing? He washes clothes or whatever. Prakshalayati means washes. So here Udayanah prakshalayati, tvam prakshalaya. So in this way we have completed this exercise. I hope that you have understood. So you have to write down and send me your notes on the group. So this exercise worksheet is already given. Thank you very much, my dear students.